How can we talk about future? Do you know the answer? Of course, there are a lot of grammar topics you can use to talk about future. In this video, we are going to talk about one of them. Hi everyone, welcome back to English Sprint. Today we have another 10-minute grammar video. In this video, we are going to talk about well. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell and support us to make other videos of grammar topics. So let's start with function of will. Okay, I mean, why do we use it and when do we use it? All right, the first one is sudden decision. I think it's the easiest one. Sudden decision. Okay, or something you have just decided to do. And the second one is talk about future. Yeah, because will talks about future, you can say, yeah, it's talking about future. What we believe about future. Okay. And the third one is offering to do something or agreeing to do something and promising to do something. All right. So actually, in other slides, we are going to talk about these functions one by one, and I will show you in examples. All right. So now, before we go to the examples, let's look at the structure of this grammar. All right. So the structure is subject plus will plus base form of the verb. Pay attention to this one. Base form of the verb. Okay, I changed the color to red because it is too important to know, right? Look at the example. I will go to the park. So, yeah, this is the structure. Will plus base form of the verb. Okay, we cannot say I will going or I will went. No, because it is about future. And also, will is modal verb. So we cannot use ing form or past form after will. We need to use base form of the verb. All right, so now take a look at the examples. Look at number one. I don't have time to talk to you now. I'll talk to you later. Okay, so you can see it means I will talk to you later. But what does it mean? Can you guess? Okay, when I say, for example, I will talk to you later, it's something like a sudden decision. Yeah? For example, you are talking to your friend, okay, and say, okay, I don't have time to talk to you now. I'll talk to you later. Okay? Now look at the second one. It is hot here. I'll open the window. Okay? Again, it is a sudden decision. What will you do this time next year? Okay, this is a question form. You can learn question form here. It is like the other grammar topics. Okay, will plus subject and plus do. Okay, so and this time next year. This is a question about talking about future. He's asking about your future. What will you do this time next year? I am studying hard. I will pass the exam. Again, we have one of those functions here. Can you guess the function here? I'm studying hard. I will pass the exam. Actually, you're right. It is talking about future. He believes in something in future happening. Okay? It is a fast car. James will drive fast. Again, he's sure or believe in something in future. Okay, now take a look at the other examples. Okay, this bag is heavy. I'll help you with it. What does it mean? Actually, it is offering to do something. Okay, I need money. Can you lend me money? Sure, I'll give you $1,000. Okay, so it is agreeing to do something. Somebody asked you for something and you said, sure, I will do it. Okay, and the next one, this is the last time I come late. Okay, I won't do it again. Imagine, for example, you go to work, you go there late, and you say, I won't do it again. And also, won't is the negative form of will not. Okay, so when you want to talk about something you actually will not do, you can say won't in the short form. Okay, all right, so now attention here because this one is too important. All right, so um, will you please pass me the salt? Look at this example. What does it mean when he says, will you please pass me the salt? For example, you are eating dinner with your friends or your coworkers or colleagues, and for example, you say, and the salt is far away from you, and you say, will you please pass me the salt, James or Jack or Lisa? Okay, so it means that please do it. Okay, I think it's like a request. Okay, it is so polite question, and also you can use it only in question form. Okay, so it is a kind of request to do something. All right, now notice here another thing that is too important is this: you can use will for predictions. All right, so sometimes you want to talk about future. You are not sure about the future. You don't have any plan for it, and you didn't decide to do something before. Okay, so maybe you decide now, or you are just saying something about future. Okay, this is prediction, right? For example, it will rain tomorrow. Okay, so you don't see clouds. Maybe you see clouds, but not dark clouds. Okay, and you say it will rain tomorrow. Okay, this is something you predict. Okay, we don't know about it much. Okay, so maybe it is going to happen, and maybe it is not going to happen. Okay, so it will rain tomorrow. It's a prediction for future. And sometimes we can say it will rain tomorrow is something we believe in future. They are the same somehow, but because I said believe, okay, it shows that you are sure about something. But here you are not sure because it is only a prediction. All right, guys, now it's your turn. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and click on the bell. Alright, so it's your turn to say a sentence about your future life. Comment below and tell me a sentence about your future life. I will correct your mistakes. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video until the end, and I hope you have learned this grammar well and you will be able to use it like a native person. Alright, so thank you very much, have a nice day, and goodbye.